Today we are going to see about OHMS law. That is verification of OHMS law. This is the circuit diagram of OHMS law. You can see it is a rheostat, 50 ohms, 4 amps, and RPS regulated power supply, and 220 ohms, 220 ohms resistance, and DC voltmeter and DC ammeter. Value is 0 to 200 milliamps, and the rheostat is 50 ohms, 4 amps. And you can see this is the tabulation column. Serial number, input volt from RPS, voltage in volt, current in amps, that is milliamps, and R equal to V by I ohms. The connections are given as per the circuit diagram, and this is the RPS. You can see this multimeter acts as voltmeter. You can see it measures up to 20 DC volt, and this acts as ammeter. This measures 200 milliamps, and this is the rheostat. You can see this is the rheostat, and we have given the circuit connections as per the circuit diagram. Now apply 10 volts from RPS to the circuit. You can see the readings of voltage is 8.06, and ammeter reads 37.3 milliamps. Now move the rheostat to some extent. It gets moved from maximum position to minimum position. Now we can note down the ammeter reading and voltmeter reading. Now move the rheostat to again to minimum position. You can see the ammeter reads 39.5 milliamps and voltage is 8.50. Like this we can move another 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps till the end. And now by the same procedure we have taken another 3 readings. That is, when we move the rheostat in another 3 steps, you are getting voltmeter equal to 9.08 and ammeter equal to 4.20 milliamps, and another is 9.45 and 43.90 milliamps, and 6th reading is 10 and ammeter is 46.60 milliamps, but the RPS remains 10, that is input which we given is 10, remains the same. So converting milliamps to amps. So 37.3 milliamps we get 0.0376 amps. For the same 38.5 you are getting 0.385 amps. For 39.5 0.0395 amps. Now you can solve this to find out R, that is R equal to V by I. So to find resistance ohms, R equal to V by I, you can see 8.05 divided by 0.0373, so 215 ohms. Second value, third value. You see all the values are 215 ohms, we used 220 ohms. Now you draw the graph for voltage in x-axis and current in y-axis. So this is the graph for Ohm's law, voltage against versus current. You can see I have divided the x-axis into 8.20, 8.40 till 10, and y-axis equal to 37, 38, 1 centimeter equal to 38. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 8. Sorry, 1 centimeter equal to 0.20. Here 1 centimeter is 0.10. Here 1 centimeter equal to 1. So 37, 38. So we get the straight line. We got the straight line. So we have verified the Ohm's law with the graph